I picked up a box of these bulbs a couple weeks ago, and I recently put them in the ceiling fan here in the living room, and they are among the most beautiful light bulbs I've ever seen. The left and right shades have these bulbs, and you can see the amber tone of the bulb complements the amber tone of the shade perfectly, and they look really, really nice. So I picked up two more today, so all four outside lights will have these bulbs. In the store, I picked up this one for the center globe because these do not fit in the center globe, they're too long. Now, based off of the packaging, which was very misleading, I thought that that tubular bulb would be a little bit shorter, but come to find out it's about the same height, so I don't know if it's going to fit. I don't think it's going to. So let's see what we can do with this. So these two outside bulbs will just change as regular. There should be no issues with that. Okay, let's make sure those are all working. They are all working and they look fantastic. So now let's see what we can do about this center globe. Yeah, it's a very shallow globe. The bulb just barely clears, so I don't think this is going to work. I wonder if I could potentially replace this socket with one that's a little more shallow. I feel like I could get one that's just a touch shorter, and that might be enough to solve the problem. Yeah, it just barely doesn't fit. Oh, that stinks so much. And these shades are so nice, I don't want to do anything dodgy to try to make it fit. The only potential thing I think that we could do is, can we do that and make it fit? I feel like that's getting us closer to what we need, but it might not be at quite the right angle. You know what? I might be able to pull that off. It's a little flaky. I might just have to accept that this isn't going to work. Of course, it's a moot point now because I don't have enough of these other bulbs, but I wonder if this is a smaller tip. I wonder if this angled setup would work with that. Ooh. That actually might work. Well, that's pretty ridiculous, but I kind of feel like that's secure. It is secure. Of course, now I don't have enough bolts for the outside, but I can go get more. That's not a problem. Oh, that looks so good. I don't like the way that light is sitting there, but I don't think it's going to fall either. Oh man, that just looks so good. Well, I'm going to have to go back to Lowe's again because it was very expensive, but there was like an A19 kind of style bulb, which might fit. I'll have to go back and compare it. I'm not going to leave it like this. It's a little too dodgy. I'd be very upset if any of these shades fell or broke. So I'm not going to leave it like this. But I will go back to Lowe's and see if I can get that A19 one. I didn't buy it because it was very expensive. I think it was almost $10 for one stinking bulb, which is a lot. But I think these are worth it. Wow, these get hot even at this low brightness. It's just so horrifically inefficient. Is this a three-way light? Yeah, it is. So what I'll do for now is I'll just put one of these back. And I'll just turn it off for now. Those are such nice bulbs. I don't think the camera is really capturing how nice that amber tone is to it. All right, I'll see if I can get one more bulb that'll fit in there, and we'll revisit this.